Hi, I'm Gardener Steve, and today I'm at the stunning RHS Gardens here at Wisley. A day trip organised by Blue Sky's the Limit. I approached them in 2017 with the idea of hosting Garden Day Trip, and here we are, 18 trips later. Now let's head off and see what Wisley has to offer. So I've made it to the glass house. This was opened in 2007 and is a real masterpiece. It's home to all the indoor plants and tropicals. So come on, let's go and have a look inside. So I've made it into the tropical area and I'm stood under this musa, which is a banana plant. And what's caught my eye is the little bananas are actually forming. It's such an architectural plant, it's reaching for the sky. Wow, it's getting hot in here. Well, that's because I'm in the dry temperate zone and I'm looking at examples of plants that have been adapted to stand very dry conditions. We've got things like cactus, succulents and agaves, just to mention a few. I feel like I've been transported to the Sahara. So I've made it up now to the rose garden and I'm sat here on this beautiful summer's afternoon, and the perfume I'm getting is absolutely amazing with this gentle breeze. I'm in heaven. So our day is nearly done here, but just before we head off I'm going to explore these herbaceous borders. So today, it's been my 5th visit, and it's been an absolute privilege to introduce our guests to the wonderful Wisley. If you'd like to join me, Gardener Steve, on any of our garden adventures, or would like to know more, please contact Blue Sky's the Limit using the details coming up now.